Welcome to the lesson on inspection planning. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to construct general procedures for inspection planning and explain related conditions. The selection of an inspection method, as discussed in the previous lesson, is important to the inspection process. But inspection is a sensitive task and requires proper planning. Just as there are many inspection methods to choose from, inspection procedures can be tailored to a specific organization or production process. The inspection procedures may be most easily divided into three general areas: pre-inspection, inspection, and post-inspection. In pre-inspection, it is important to define the objectives of the inspection, select an inspector with the required skills, communicate the requirements for the inspection, and provide the inspector with guidance. Regardless of the inspection type, inspection typically involves a visual component. Inspectors may examine a product directly, interpret related data, or complete equipment checks during an inspection. After the inspection, inspectors will report the results they have found, allowing the company to make decisions regarding the elements determined to be unsuitable. These decisions are typically to rework the product, repurpose it, or dispose of it. When planning an inspection, the environment in which it will be performed should be considered, as it might impact the accuracy of the observations. The inspection plan should prove specific recommendations concerning the appropriate conditions for the examination. For example, the inspection plan should give information on the appropriate illumination and temperature levels, as well as the proper instruments to use to examine a specific product. The Japanese term poka-yoke, translated into mistake proofing, refers to the processes put in place to avoid operator error. The figures seen here are examples of plugs and outlets utilizing poka-yoke, where only the correct plug will fit the correct outlet. Certain inspection conditions might be difficult to change, even though potentially conducive to human errors. In those instances, mistake proofing can be used. One method of this is using an automated inspection, which is an assessment of products where at least one of the steps is done via machines. It is, however, always recommended to use the proper instruments and to make sure they are calibrated before the actual inspection to ensure accuracy. In summary, there are some general procedures for inspection planning, which include defining the objective of the inspection, identifying an inspector with the required skills, communicating the requirements for the inspection, conducting the inspection, and then finally reporting the results. When planning for an inspection, you must consider the environmental conditions in which the inspection will be conducted and record them in the inspection plan. Thank you.